Dinouniversity! Good day, mates! My name is Jerry, and today I'm super excited to take you on a fantastic journey to learn all about kangaroos. Kangaroos are amazing creatures that hop around the Australian outback. Let's dive right in and learn some awesome facts. First things first, did you know that kangaroos are marsupials? That means the moms have a special pouch where their babies, called joeys, grow and develop. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about the different types of kangaroos you can find in Australia. There are 4 main types of kangaroos. Let's meet them. The first and biggest type is the red kangaroo. These kangaroos can be up to 6 feet tall. The males have reddish-brown fur, while the females are usually bluish-gray. Red kangaroos love to live in the open plains and deserts of Australia. They can hop really fast, reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than a car driving through a city. Next, we have the eastern gray kangaroo. These kangaroos are also pretty big, but they have gray fur. They live in the eastern parts of Australia, where there are more forests and grasslands. Eastern gray kangaroos are known for their gentle nature and can often be seen grazing in large groups. The third type is the western gray kangaroo. They look a lot like the eastern grays, but are found in the southern and western parts of Australia. These kangaroos have a funny nickname, Stinker, because the males have a strong smell. They live in woodlands, savannas, and coastal scrublands. Lastly, we have the Antilopean kangaroo. These kangaroos are found in the tropical northern parts of Australia. They have a lighter, reddish-brown fur and are a bit smaller than the red and gray kangaroos. Antilopean kangaroos prefer to live in open woodlands and grassy areas. Now that we know the types of kangaroos, let's jump into some fun and interesting facts about them. Did you know kangaroos are the only large animals that move by hopping? Their powerful hind legs and big feet make them excellent jumpers. They can leap up to 25 feet in a single bound. Imagine jumping the length of a school bus in one hop. Also, let me tell you another cool fact. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Their strong legs and big feet are perfect for hopping forward, but they can't move in reverse. How funny is that? Kangaroos have long, strong tails that help them balance while hopping and standing. When they're resting or moving slowly, they use their tails like a 5th leg. It's like having an extra arm to help you walk. Remember the joeys we talked about earlier? When a baby kangaroo is born, it's only the size of a jelly bean. It crawls into its mother's pouch where it stays safe and grows for about 6 months. Even after it leaves the pouch, it might hop back in for a quick snack or nap until it's about a year old. Kangaroos are social animals and live in groups called mobs. A mob can have up to 50 kangaroos. Living in a group helps them stay safe from predators like dingoes and eagles. There's always a lookout kangaroo keeping an eye out for danger. Have you ever seen kangaroos boxing? Male kangaroos, called bucks, sometimes fight each other by boxing and kicking to show who's the strongest. They stand on their hind legs and use their front paws to box, while their powerful hind legs deliver strong kicks. It's like a kangaroo karate match. Australia can be very hot and dry, but kangaroos are great at conserving water. They get most of their water from the food they eat and can go for long periods without drinking. When it's really hot, they lick their forearms to cool down, like their own built-in air conditioning. Have you heard of wallabies? Now, some people get confused between kangaroos and wallabies. They do look similar, but there are a few differences. Wallabies are smaller than kangaroos, with shorter legs and tails. Their fur can also be different colors, depending on their species. Wallabies live in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and rocky areas. One easy way to tell them apart is by looking at their size. If it's big and tall, it's likely a kangaroo. If it's smaller and more compact, it's probably a wallaby. Kangaroos are an important part of Australian culture and are even featured on the country's coat of arms. While they're loved and admired, sometimes they can cause problems for farmers by eating crops and damaging fences. But many Australians work hard to protect these iconic animals and their habitats. Well, mates, I hope you enjoyed learning about kangaroos as much as I did. These incredible animals are truly the hopping heroes of the Australian outback. Until next time, stay curious. Bye-bye.
Subscribe for more videos!